If you are planning to buy Pictory AI, then this is the perfect time for you. I will give you a Pictory AI coupon code, which will give you a flat 40% discount on your order. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you either have to sign up for a 14-day free trial, or you can log into your existing account. I will log into my existing account. As you can see, my free trial is ended already, and now I have to select a plan. Pictory offers 3 different pricing plans, and you can get an extra 24% discount if you choose the yearly plan. For now, I will continue with the professional plan of Pictory. This will take me to the checkout page. As you can see, this plan will cost me nearly $500. But I have a coupon code that will give me a 40% discount. You'll see this coupon code section here. To get the discount, simply enter this coupon code, which is showing on your screen. The coupon code is AnnualBoost40, and it will provide you 40% discount on Pictory's annual plan. And as you can see, now I only need to pay $281 for 1 year of subscription. Now, you only need to proceed further and make the payment. Make sure to use the first link, which is given in the video description. That is an affiliate link, which will provide you the latest offers of Pictory AI. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.